TCS held its 31st annual general meeting this week. Chairman N. Chandrasekaran had one number that cleared the room, which was 3 years from now, 500,000 human employees and 500,000 AI agents, 1 to 1. The company was careful to add that there are no layoff plans and they simply want the right talent. 500,000 AI agents alongside 500,000 humans is actually quite a specific kind of careful. The markets have had their own opinion about TCS this year. The stock is down over 32%, a 6-year low, underperforming the Nifty IT index. Shareholders arrived at the AGM with the kind of energy that follows a 32% decline. Chandrasekaran's response was that clients are currently pausing spend and evaluating AI before committing to large contracts. A classic mid-cycle pause, he said. Now, the fundamentals are solid, the margins are holding. What the market is actually struggling to see is what comes after the pause and what the replacement revenue model looks like when AI handles work that previously required human billing hours. That is a reasonable thing to actually struggle with. The engineering forums are less charitable than, well, the earnings call. The consensus view on Reddit and developer communities is that enterprise AI cannot handle complex real-world code, and that clients are frequently conflating basic automation with genuine AI capability. The skepticism is not entirely misplaced, to be honest. The anxiety underneath it is actually based on something very real. TCS headcount dropped by over 23,000 people this fiscal year, 12,000 in a single restructuring. So AI revenue has reached $2.5 billion annualized. By 2030, Chandrasekaran says 100% of TCS revenue will have AI embedded in it. And here, of course, now is the front page take. Now, for someone currently trying to break into tech through entry-level coding or testing roles, well, that combination of numbers is not abstract. Basic coding jobs are being automated. Entry-level testing is going the same way. The roles actually that remain and the roles being created belong to the people who manage the systems, govern the outputs, and understand how to work with AI rather than wait to be replaced by it. The ladder, mind you, has not been removed. It's just that the entry point has just moved 3 floors up. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.